Hello everyone, my name's Cody Edwards and I'm Amy's husband and Layne's dad from WhatTheParanormal. And today they are exploring an abandoned mill in Walberg, Texas. And this particular mill was used to film a couple scenes from the 2003 version of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And as you can see, it's kind of creepy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the old Crawford mill and we're not sure how haunted this place is, although we have heard a couple of things just starting out. It is extremely hot in here, but this is one of the main things we wanted you to see.
Because this place is where they filmed a
Part of
the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003 movie here.
This stairway is very famous. You'll remember it from the girl who came in and this was her main scene running down the stairs. So we're going to check the place out. Like I said, I don't know if it's haunted, but we have heard a few things and we'll just see what we catch. Okay. This is the old Crawford mill. Looks like we're just going to be able to see the outside. It's a 4-hour trip for no. Pretty good sized building. And this actually is where they filmed I'm trying to hang on and see if I can turn my lights on, see if you can see a little better. This is where they filmed part of Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003. It's a pretty cool place. It was an old mill at one time. There's Layne up there. Heaven or hell. Sorry if the wind is bad, guys. Ooh, what was that?
I don't know. That sounded like something running.
Yeah, it did.
Like fast, too.
Yeah. Listen, Layne, hello.
Don't recommend breaking laws, but like as we drove along.
Alright, we're gonna have to go quick.
What was that?
That was me. Hurry. Let's get what we came for. Oh, some people come in here. Was that Dad?
Probably. This is pretty cool.
I'm looking for one spot in this building.
It's very muddy.
It is, and here it is. You might recognize this from the movie. What was that? Oh, it's the wind blowing. Yes, we do not recommend going in places that say no trespassing, but we did drive 4 hours. Oh, whoa, this ain't stable. No, don't get on that. That's like a scaffolding deal. It's like really hot in here too.
I'm gonna take some pictures, okay?
All right, hurry and come on. I keep hearing something that sounds like a female. Okay.
Mom, look up.
What? See what's in here. Nothing.
Nothing, nothing.
Yeah. This is pretty cool. There's Layne coming down. What's in here? It's pretty cool. From
But you can walk up the stairs.
So that's from a part of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Watch a movie when I get home.
this staircase, actually this whole building, but this staircase is the main reason why we come to take a picture of. It's from the 2003
Yeah.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I've seen the original, but I haven't seen the remake.
I'm probably swinging my camera all around because we're in a hurry.
They picked a good location next year.
Yeah, they did.
A pretty creepy location.
It sounded like something just pushed me right here, like a line of the beginning. Hello? Is someone in here? Can you make a noise?
I'm up here. I'm right up here standing right now. No. Oh, I went this way.
Can you do that again?
That was right there. See if there's anything on my back. I swear to God, it felt like some.
No, there's nothing on your back.
Oh, get up.
Oh, crap.
Get up.
Crap. It's that truck. It's the same truck that drove by a while ago and pulled into that drive.
What now?
I want to go back down there. We need the kid. Trying to read the names of them. Come on.
Here, what? That's the wind blowing that deal. I know it is very hot in here. Yeah, put that down. What?
Nothing, sorry.
Scared the shit.
Watch it.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Hello, we're back.
Thought something was getting my ankle.
What was that big slam?
That's probably the wind. The wind's still blowing.
Yeah, the
pretty
wind's
hard.
blowing the tin, Laney. And where we opened that door,
It ain't blowing on us right now. It is hot.
yes, it is hot in here. No, you're not. Laney, do not touch nothing.
I'm not. Charlie's Angel.
So I guess this is how they turn this one on and off with the...
I guess so.
That's
What that would lead to.
weird. For really short people. I guess they climbed at this to grab that rope or something maybe. I still wouldn't be able to reach that rope. Okay, I'm going up. Y'all go down.
You be careful.
I will. You be careful.
Okay, we're back. If there's anybody here.
Hello? I'm stepping on this metal, y'all.
Laney and James are down there. And now the wind's gonna go crazy. I mean, it's hot down there, but it's even hotter up here. Is there anybody here with us? Anybody that used to work here? That's the tree hitting up there.
Anybody here with us? Anybody speak to us?
Huh? Right here? On this step? Why?
I just saw somebody over there.
Oh, I'm standing right here.
Can you tell me your name? We're not here to harm you.
If you're still here, why do you stay here? The bells from outside. Probably somebody ringing them saying, "Intruder, intruder."
Can you come talk to us?
Okay, I'm walking down the stairs, guys.
Okay.
My name is James. Is there anybody here you need some help?
Hey, come make some weird sounds over here. Me, James, and my mom, Amy, are right here. We're not here to hurt you. We ask you not to hurt us either.
Don't get that on me. Could have swore I just heard something say, "Help me."
Kind of almost a female sounding.
Yes.
Yeah.
It might have been the squeaking or something, just happened to make that sound
Yeah.
like "help me."
Is there a lady here?
But the last two times I've heard something, it's been sound like a female. And it could very well be branches scratching on the tin.
We know they filmed a part of a movie here. Were y'all mad about that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's hard to decipher between the
Yeah.
squeaking of that, and we'll have to listen real close because,
Some of that sounded more like squeaking.
yeah. But some of it sounded like talking.
Can you make the biggest and loudest noise that you can? I'll knock right here if you can copy me, okay?
That's got to be mobile squeaking.
Yeah. That is right there, but every now and then I hear something that just sounds like.
I need you to knock for me. I knocked for you. really wish you could come stand near me.
Yeah, come stand near us and make it cooler.
Did you work here?
That sounded like help, in a way.
I know, that's what it's confusing because the metal scrapes against the tin and then it sounds.
Are you upstairs? Do you want us to come upstairs and talk?
We're hearing all this from over here. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was Amy.
I bumped it. It scared me.
Do me a favor, can you move that fidget spinner right there? All you have to touch is one end of it, and it'll spin. Let us know you're here.
We have this little thing right here. If you just touch it, it'll move like that.
Just wait for it to stop until you push it. That better?
Yeah, but I think this angle looks fine.
Was a positive message, people.
Why it's quiet? Make a noise. Sorry, that's me.
Did you just hear yes?
It's kind of what it sounded like. Okay, can you make that noise one more time?
Knock like James did again.
I'm going to give you 2 more knocks again, just like this. I know it may seem like we're asking a lot, but we just need to make sure there's somebody here.
I'm right here by myself if you want to talk.
Can you come whisper something in our ear? Yeah.
That wind is part of that blowing right outside.
Yeah. I think it's the tree limbs right on top of the.
Yeah, it could be. This place is surrounded.
Yeah. That was James. If you want to come talk to us, you need to come do it before we leave. We'll listen. You just got to come do it. Come make a loud noise for us. Let us know you're here. Okay, I felt like something just pulled my hair. It had to have got attached onto this. Or something. I wasn't close enough to that to get it stuck. But it might have been stuck on something. That just freaked me out for a second. Don't mess with my hair. Yeah, I know. Come talk to us before we have to leave.
Okay, I'm leaving my phone right here to jump for a second. I'm gonna just walk over here. Do not knock my phone off, please. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, guys, we're not going to be able to be here much longer. So if you're here, now's your chance to come say something to us. Say hi, make a loud noise.
Okay, it's hot.
Okay, guys, we're not going to be able to be here much longer.
What is that
So
noise?
if you're here, now's your chance to come
It's like a
say
buzzing
something to
noise.
us. Say hi, make a loud noise.
Mom, be quiet.
One thing I noticed though, is when we come down here, we hear that. Up there, I wasn't hearing that.
No. I'm thinking maybe they're doing it.
It's odd.
Very odd. I am filming from my phone, so if this video is crappy, I'm sorry. It is very hot in here. We're down in the, what would you even call this little area?
I have no idea.
We're on the bottom floor.
Yeah.
Is what I would call it. There's upstairs and a
Like I
right
said,
here.
an old mill, and I think we're right next to the, like the heart of what the mill actually was.
We keep hearing a lot of noises in here, and we can't tell if it's from the wind blowing so hard outside, but it, to me and all, like James and my mom, it doesn't even sound like the stuff creaking. It sounds so much different than that. Sounds like a female talking. We heard a dude talking. There was this bang.
Not me that time.
That was not you that time?
No.
We did ask them, or whoever is here with us, to bang like that. And it's been a while since we asked, so maybe they are starting to now cooperate since we have been here a while and we want to go. But
You make that sound again? I didn't even touch the doors that time. They ain't even moving.
come on, we just heard you.
You got any hits on that? None?
Do it like this, please.
If you're here, you're not doing a good job of letting us know.
Do it like this, please. If you're here, you're not doing a good job of letting us know.
No, you're here.
We're just here to help and be friendly. We came to visit. That sounded like a harmonica.
It did.
As the metal on the bottom of the door.
It sounded like somebody playing a song. There it goes. You hear that? And then tap, tap. Okay, y'all are tricking us.
Harmonize.
Are y'all playing something?
We can't tell if it's from the wind blowing so hard outside, but it, to me and all, like James and my mom, it doesn't even sound like the stuff creaking. It sounds so much different than that. It sounds like a female talking or a dude talking.
That was not me that time.
That was not you that time?
No.
We did ask them, or
I did not even touch it that time.
Like that, and it's been a while since we asked, so maybe they are starting to now cooperate since we have been here a while and we want to go. But
You make that sound again? I didn't even touch the doors that time. They ain't even moving.
come on, we just heard you.
You got any hits on that?
No.
None?
Do it like this, please.
There's one little blip when I first turned it on. I think it was the camera.
If you're here, you're not doing a good job of letting us know you're here.
We're just here to help and be friendly. We came to visit. That sounded like a harmonica.
It did.
As
The door.
on the bottom
Yeah.
of the door.
It sounded like somebody's playing a song. There it goes again. Did you hear that? And then tap, tap. Okay, y'all are tricking us.
Are y'all playing something?
My light just went off.
Oh, yeah, sure did.
Yeah, it did. Your light on your phone?
Yeah.
Um,
Recording.
it shouldn't have went off on its own though.
And now it's recording again.
That's weird. I wonder how much you actually got.
If that was you, do that again. I heard that noise.
Okay, if you can turn the camera on and off, you can make that little.
Did that just flash again? Or is it just my camera?
It might be just your camera because it's light and light. Maybe a camera glare.
I don't know, it just looked like it went like that.
Okay, you just turned off my phone. If you can turn off my phone, you can make this right here move. We already told you how to use it. Can you please touch it?
Just got to give it a little push, a little nudge. Damn it, Rich, now I gotta pee.
Yeah.
Can you make those footstep sounds again? Me and James heard you walk down the stairs a while ago.
That's a tree on the middle. That wasn't.
We know you can do it. You can come down here and talk to us.
You know you don't have to work here anymore, right? Your job's done?
Is that footsteps? What was that tapping noise? Did you hear it?
Oh, it's hard to tell because there's so many limbs on the metal.
If a lot of y'all are still here, I just want y'all to know I hope y'all get peace very soon. So you don't have to stay in here forever.
Yeah,
It still let me
it's
record.
starting to record again.
Alright.
Okay, if that's you turning the camera on, all you gotta do is this right here. It'll move.
Maybe it don't like fidget spinners.
I mean, it finds the camera far more interesting.
You need to check your phone and make sure you don't have no like limit deal on it or something, or a timer or something.
I don't.
Well, just make
My
sure
phone
to clarify
before
for
it
the video.
like you can, before I started filming with my phone, it could play for a whole hour straight.
We'll just check it just to make sure so nobody can say that it's...
Oh yeah, because I don't want anybody thinking that.
Yeah. Always good to second or check something. And just like all this, it sounds like something, but it also sounds like the tree limbs, and so we'll just have to listen back.
We can't stay much longer.
Oh, I could have swore I just seen a shadow over there.
Where?
Right over there behind. Right through here.
Right here?
Right through here, right over there. It looked like a shadow go across.
I've been seeing a lot of shadow, but it's kind of hard to.
I don't know if it's from staring at all the lights, but I see like it almost looks like orbs in
It
a
looked
way.
like...
See some on the wall back there, but I think there's holes in the roof. So.
I think it's that, whatever that is right there, making that move on the bottom part of the wall that I seen. See how whatever's blowing or whatever's hitting the wall? Or that column thing right there, it's whatever's hitting that is what I think I saw. But I just glanced and it,
You already
see,
going
because
up?
like that, it looks like somebody walking through. It is, it's just that. Yeah,
It's getting
It's getting way too hot.
Okay, we're gonna leave now, so if you are here, do not follow us home. Stay here where you belong. Or you could go into the light. Oh, that was me. Those steps are steep.
Goodbye.
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 This is on the outside. Not sure what these things are, but this was a cool place. Okay guys, we're fixing to get out of here. We're gonna have to go over the footage a lot because this place is very tricky. There's a lot of tree limbs and tin and wind. So we will go through all the footage and see what we got.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Comment down below if you hear anything.
check out this man right here, View from the Middle.
View from the middle. His link will be in the description below.
Bring baloney.
Bring them up.
Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
You're supposed to put your hand over it. You gotta add that in the video. That's funny.